The road leading to the development of the policy framework and National Action Plan for Preventing and Countering Violent Terrorism began in 2015 with the directive of President Muhammadu Buhari on the need for a complementary soft approach to efforts in dealing with terrorism. The president applauded and commended the nation's military in bringing insurgency down to its knees and urges all Nigerians to ensure the country is purged of extreme violent terrorism.
We must now, working together, focus on rooting out hate, misrepresentation of religion, and violence in our society.
He also advises state governments to emulate the federal government.
I also call on states and local governments to develop action plans for preventing and countering violent extremism at the grassroots. I likewise call on all civil society organizations and international institutions to be guided by the principles enshrined in this policy framework and national action plan.
The policy and action plan were collaborative efforts which involved wide consultation both within and outside the country, the draft of which National Security Advisor to the President, Babagana Mungunu, explains was overwhelmingly appreciated by the international community.
This policy framework and national action plan rests on four major objectives which dictate our priority components. These are A, strengthening institutions and coordination in preventing and countering violent extremism. B, strengthening the rule of law.
The policy and action plan, as the security advisor said, rests on a whole of government and a whole society approach. And the State House, Jide Onifade, NT News.